Our planet is a place of incredible beauty. It is also a place of remarkable power. The sun, our very own star, bathes the Earth in energy every single day. This energy is immense, it is constant, and it is free. For centuries we have harnessed the sun's power in simple ways. We dried our clothes, we warmed our homes, but now we are on the verge of something extraordinary. We are learning to capture the sun's energy on a grand scale. We call this solar power. Solar power is a key to a sustainable future. It is a clean and renewable source of energy. It can provide electricity to homes and businesses. It can even power entire cities. In this series, we will embark on a journey. We will explore the fascinating world of solar energy. We will uncover its history, its challenges, and its incredible potential. Join me as we discover how solar power is illuminating the path toward a brighter future. The story of solar power is a tale of human ingenuity. It is a story of our enduring fascination with the sun. Our ancestors worshipped the sun as a god. Now we are learning to harness its power like never before. The first solar cells, the building blocks of solar panels, were created in the 1800s. These early attempts were inefficient. They could only convert a tiny fraction of sunlight into electricity, but they were a start. The real breakthrough came in the 1950s. Scientists at Bell Laboratories developed the first practical silicon solar cell. This paved the way for the solar panels we know today. Early solar panels were expensive. They were used mainly in specialized applications like powering satellites in space. But over time, the cost of solar technology has plummeted. This has made solar power accessible to the masses. Today we are witnessing a solar revolution. Around the world, solar power is experiencing explosive growth. More and more people are recognizing the benefits of this clean and sustainable energy source. Just look at the numbers. In 2022 alone, global solar power capacity grew by a staggering 25%. That means we added enough solar panels to power over 100 million homes. And the momentum is only building. China is leading the charge. It is home to the world's largest solar farms and manufacturing facilities, but solar power is not just a story about one country. From the United States to India, from Germany to Chile, nations around the world are embracing the power of the sun. This surge in solar adoption is driven by several factors. Solar panels are becoming increasingly affordable. Governments are implementing policies to encourage renewable energy, and crucially, people are demanding cleaner and more sustainable energy solutions. The world of solar technology is constantly evolving. Scientists and engineers are working tirelessly to develop even more efficient and affordable ways to capture the sun's energy. One exciting area of innovation is in the materials used to make solar cells. Traditional silicon solar cells are effective, but they have limitations. Researchers are now exploring new materials like perovskites. Perovskites are compounds with a unique crystal structure. They have the potential to be even more efficient at converting sunlight into electricity than silicon. Imagine solar panels that can generate even more power from the same amount of sunlight. Another promising development is the rise of bifacial solar panels. These innovative panels can capture sunlight on both sides, not just the top. This means they can generate more electricity, especially in areas with high ground reflection. Section 5: New Horizons, Imagining the Future of Solar Power. The future of solar power is bright. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of this versatile energy source. One exciting area is floating solar farms. These massive arrays of solar panels are installed on bodies of water like lakes or reservoirs. They offer several advantages. They don't take up valuable land space. They can help reduce water evaporation. And the water helps keep the panels cool, improving their efficiency. Another fascinating development is solar textiles. Imagine clothing, tents, or even buildings that can generate their own electricity from the sun. Researchers are developing flexible and lightweight solar cells that can be woven into fabrics, opening up a whole new world of possibilities. Section 6: Leaders of the PAC nations embracing the sun. The transition to a solar-powered future is a global effort. Leading the way are China, Germany, the USA, and India. China is a solar superpower. It has the world's largest installed solar capacity. The Chinese government prioritizes renewable energy. Germany is a pioneer in solar power. Its feed-in tariff program has been key. The USA has seen significant growth. California is a solar leader. India has enormous solar potential. The Indian government aims to be a global solar leader. Chile and Morocco are emerging solar powerhouses. Both have favorable solar resources and policies. To Section 7, Overcoming Obstacles. Challenges on the path to a brighter future. While the future of solar power is promising, challenges remain. We must address these challenges to fully realize the potential of this transformative technology. One challenge is the sourcing of materials for solar panels. Some materials, like silver and indium, are relatively rare. We need to find ways to reduce our reliance on these materials or develop more sustainable sourcing practices. Another challenge is ensuring that the benefits of solar power are shared equitably. As we transition to a cleaner energy future, we must ensure that no one is left behind. This means providing access to affordable solar power to communities around the world, regardless of their income level or geographical location. We must also address the intermittency of solar power. The sun doesn't always shine. We need to develop better energy storage solutions, like batteries, to store excess solar energy for use when the sun is not available. Section 8. A solar-powered tomorrow, hope for a sustainable world. Despite these challenges, I remain optimistic about the future of solar power. The progress we have made in recent years is nothing short of remarkable. Solar power is now a mainstream energy source, and its growth is accelerating. As we look to the future, I envision a world powered by the sun. Imagine cities with sparkling solar rooftops, deserts transformed into vast solar farms, and remote communities empowered by off-grid solar systems. Solar power has the potential to transform our world. It can help us combat climate change, create jobs, and improve energy security. It can empower communities and drive sustainable development. The journey towards a solar-powered future is a journey we must take together. It is a journey towards a cleaner, brighter, and more sustainable world for all.